so clear with the bare eye, but I can't zoom in to show. Never been over here. Up there is the Cougar Trail. This is old logging trail, I think. The map can't be right because it said 3.5. And there's no way this goes on for 3.5 miles. But either way, we're committed. All the snow has melted. If I don't continue around then I'll regret it. We are going down. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? You know what goes down must go back up. Oh. As long as I don't have to turn around, I don't care. I am getting a lot more in shape. That is weird stump. Oh. River, come here. Shh. He just put his tail up. Oh, wow. Hello. Oh, my gosh. Is there any way? The human eye is amazing. It's so cool back here. That looks like the road that comes in. But I don't remember it being dirt. Yeah. River, slow down. Yeah, we're back at the camp. Shh. Stop. Stop. River. Oh, found a pillow. Hey, come here. Oh, there we go. All right, so come on. River, look. Cool.